As dawn breaks over the Mediterranean, a drone rises from the tranquil sea, capturing the awakening world. Benidorm's skyline emerges in stark contrast against the natural coastline, its high-rise buildings piercing the tranquil horizon. The city awakens, bathed in the gentle embrace of the rising sun, its silhouette a testament to human ambition against the serene backdrop of nature. The crystal-clear water dances with sunlight, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that beckons to all. The lens sweeps inland, revealing the lively promenade where bustling cafes and shops buzz with activity, capturing the essence of Benidorm's vibrant heart. Silhouettes of people stroll through the plazas, lost in the magic of the evening. The city embraces the warm glow of twilight as the Mediterranean Sea stretches out into the endless horizon.